ruthless predator impales more victims than a vampire slayer. The shrike feeds on small reptiles, birds, and insects. And when he wants to dig into a good meal, he skewers his prey on the thorns of the acacia tree. Now he can rip into some fresh meat. This spiky branch isn't just a slaughterhouse, it's also a pantry. Often the shrike will spear prey and store them there until decay starts to break down their bodies. He may also garnish them with feathers in an attempt to attract a mate. Lizard on the Barbie, anyone?